Hi guys, this is Adi from NorCal Outdoor. I want to make a quick video here. A while ago, I made a video how to install the tilt sensor on the outboard. This is my Mercury uh, Force 120, and I install. If you see here, I install the tilt sensor. So I already installed it, but then yesterday got an issue. The ball. The engine while I was fishing and do the trolling, suddenly it tilt up. So this one is still up all the way. So I shut the engine off, and then I have to pull the battery right away, and then it stopped. So I'm thinking, okay, what's the issue? It can be the issue from the tilt from the console box there, or the tilt from here. So after I opened this, I disconnected this tilt switch, and it worked fine again. Okay, now is I realize it. The issue is from this the switch. So apparently, this switch is not really waterproof. You can see here the water salts here uh, go inside the switch. Now see here the white thing is from the salt water. So look like the salt water they go inside the switch, and that's meant the contact. Then it is dangerous if you are on the bay, or I mean you are on the ocean or the water, and you have to fix it on the water. It's not fun at all. I get my shoes got soaked wet, and my pants got wet too. Now I fix it. So good thing is the engine is okay, and I also save. So for my suggestion here is do not buy the cheap one. I bought this one, it's cheap, and I saw the review is about 4,000 review, and some of them they got the same problem. I checked it last night. I mean, oh yeah, I get exactly the same problem with some people who use this the switch. So now I just ordered a new one. This is the new OEM from Quick Silver. So hopefully the new OEM part will be better and have a good seal. I can fix this. I can fix this and put the seal or silicone or something, but I don't want to risk my my life, and I don't want to risk to get the same issue again if the water go inside this the switch. So that's it, guys. So if you want to install the switch here, I recommend it you use the original from the manufacturer part. It's kind of cheaper. I mean, more expensive. This one is cheaper. This one is only about $32 or $33. If you buy the Quicksilver or from Mercury, it costs you about $100. So 3 times more expensive, but yeah, save you from the issue that you will get later on the water. So again, thanks for watching. So hopefully this will not happen to you. If this happened to you, I suggest you to open it and put this silicone or anything to seal the switch from the water. This is the sign of the water from the salt water. Just go inside this. It's go inside this. I already put the seal around this silicone, but the problem itself is the water is not from go inside this. So this is the silicone. I put it around, and also I put. Let me take this off. Put silicone here too. Make sure the water doesn't go inside here. But you know the most important is the water. They can go inside this switch. See that? So this one is not water sealed. It can go inside this. That's what make this short circuit, make this broke. So I'm glad that I ordered a new one now. I'm going to replace this, the whole thing. So again, my suggestion is don't spend with a cheap one. I don't want you guys to end up with the same problem that I have. If you can keep this dry, yes, but if not, then you got an issue. Also, if you wash this, wash your engine, make sure you don't splash the water inside here too. So I already received the part here from Quicksilver, but you know what? As you see here, this origin from China. So this is still still from China, and this one is from China, the cheap one too. Look the same. Let's take this out here. You can see it here is almost no different between these two. Looks the same. This look good copy, the cheap one to the OEM one from the Quicksilver. Here just different only. This one is the silicon, kind of thick and different, and this one is more flat and look harder than this one. This one is more like a rubber. So hopefully inside here, I'm not sure if they have a better a seal, but I hope so. So I'm going to put this to replace it with the broken one, the one that has short circuit. Again, it's looks similar, but hopefully the quality will be a lot more better. I can see here is inside there is like inside here. You can see inside between the switch here. Inside here there's like a rubber, probably that one that will block the water. For this one is go all the way. It's look like there's no rubber or anything that prevent the water to go inside here. This one there's no rubber, and that one has the rubber inside here, around here. So like this a good sign. So hopefully this will protect it better again. Alright guys, that's it. So hopefully I will not get any same problem anymore after I replace this one. This one is cost 3 times more expensive than the this cheap one. Alright guys, thank you for watching.